నేను వస్తాను దాని పైన ఉందా పైన చాలదా ఎందుకు వచ్చారంటే టాస్క్ 5 రూపాయలు ఉంటుంది చూద్దాం
టాస్ వేస్తారే చూడ
పిల్లరా ఎంత బాబు నువ్వు వెళ్ళి ఇటుపక్కరా
అదండి
అది
I welcome all of you to the 17th Shaker Memorial Cricket Tournament. This tournament was started in memory of our good friend Mr. Shaker. He was our colleague employee in Hindustan Shipyard, and he is also one of the key men worked for the sports and cultural activities of the colony cult and the shipyard employees. He has contributed much in the activity of sports as well as in the cultural activities as the secretary of Hindustan Shipyard Recreation Club. After that, the employees of this tournament uninterruptedly being conducted for the last 17 years, and certain sportsmen who have contributed, who have participated in this tournament, have gone to the levels to play for the nation and for the zone, South zones, and this will pave a way for Sri Sambandhan Garu, Professor Sambandhan Garu, Director, NSDRC, to be with us as the chief guest of the day.
Thank you everybody. kids playing games. Whatever little way we can do it. And I could see the Hindustan Shipyard, not only cricket, many other games that develop. I enjoy this. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your good wishes and your blessings.
Mother.
Every year we thank you very much, sir, for the good,
ఎక్కడ ఉంది
your good
Madhu.
support for this tournament, sir. We foresee that you continue to do it in the coming years also, so that we go on conducting.
You know it better. You got my.
One more ball.
Chal.
అక్కడ అంటే ఎక్కడికి స్టిక్స్ దగ్గరికి బాబు తీయమల్కి
It doesn't have fund more than 2,000 bank. What
I do not know how many of you all have seen Prasanna delivering a ball. I have seen it with my eyes when I was a small boy of 12. He would get a wicket 5 overs after he has planned it. 5 overs the ball will not fall there. It will be pitching up everywhere else but where he wants it. But when he drops it there, the stroke goes straight back to the bowler's hand. That is great planning. For that, you must be intelligent. You must know how to make the best available of the fielder. Now, some of you will be front players, some of you will be back players. If I tell a person, a little pitch short outside off the book and strike us, the person in the front foot player, he can't do it because his pickup is wrong. Everybody doesn't have a pickup towards point. Some of us, like you, who are defensive, have a pickup facing the bowler. Some of those who are real stroke players, they have a pickup facing towards point because they want to pull. They want to square cut. They want to pull. They don't know how to play straight. So if I tell a guy who's playing straight to play a crossbat shot, there's no use. So this is where you have to be. Use your available resources when you play the stroke because the same ball has got at least 3 strokes to my knowledge. You youngsters are now having so much of exposure. You probably have 6 strokes to a ball, and that's why probably you make a mistake by choosing the wrong stroke. Then, doing everything in a mind, you have to create it on the ground. But then, you can't do anything on the ground unless you create it in your mind. And therefore, knowledge is a very important aspect of cricket. And making the other fellow score less runs. Either way, taking away the wicket or not allowing him to score. But this is enterprise. And enterprise in common language is, as we say in business, no risk, no profit. Profit is the return for enterprise. So you will not succeed unless you are enterprising. Don't go by the written book. Apply your mind. Again, it's application of mind. Be enterprising. And the last, my friends, is a very personal concept which has to go into the team. And that is all shot and got out. Or the wicket might have done something which you have not expected. Or the bowler might have delivered in a peculiar way. You have to be truthful enough to go back and tell the man passing by, ఇలాగ అవుతుందిరా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండు, లేకపోతే నేను ఇది చేసాను రా, ఏమి లేదు దానిలో, నేను చేసిన తప్పురా. You must have truth as the basis. And my friends, in my humble view, it is these aspects of cricket that have coined the phrase in England, and not my way. We say this is not cricket. You're not being fair. You're not being just. You're not being honest. So therefore, what is cricket? Basically means this is not life. And cricket, my young friends, has taught me how to live life. My friends will tell you, I started playing on a concrete strip over here, bowling from half the length. So you can imagine what was my age at that time. I was probably 4.5, 5 when I bowled my first delivery on this ground. So I wish you all the best. I'm sorry I gave you all such a long talk, but I hope that you will carry it not today alone, but 40 years down the line when I'm an old man with sticks, one of you all will say, thank you old man, you taught us something about life. Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, Devarajan. I was attending these programs in the sense, on the final day, we invited chief guest. We asked him to give a message. 16 years. This is something else. Just really what he told you today is exactly to your subject. And I thank him very much on behalf of the organizing committee. I request him to start today's finals.
I have to start. What am I supposed to do? With a broken hand and a broken leg. And a broken hand and everything broken, so they are worried. My friends, they're all, and we all played together since we were.
Okay, I will
Anyone goes now.
One piece.
చూడాలి చూద్దాం దెబ్బడు కదా మాకు చూస్తున్నాడు
అలా ఏం లేదు అలాంటి పెట్టాడే నువ్వు పర్లేవే ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాడు డాన్సింగ్ డౌన్ రానే
Bowl your normal left arm off spin. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
ఏంటి అంత భయపడతారా?
ఏమది ఎక్కడ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి I understand.
Come quick, bye. Come on, quick. Impossible. You can't get the shot of flowing like this. That's verification. చూస్తున్నారా? అలా ఉందండి అలాగే హెడ్స్ చూస్తుంది కనబడిందా
పబ్లిక్ పబ్లిక్ పబ్లిక్
చెట్టు ఇక్కడ కొమ్మిరిపినప్పుడు తీసావా
థర్డ్ డే కదా అయిపోతలేదు ఉంటే పని క్యాప్టెన్ తీసేస్తున్నా చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ బాబు పడిపోయాం చూడండి పర్లేదండి సార్ బైక్ పెట్టి వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఆయన తీయాలి అంటే
నువ్వు ఇలాగన్నావంటే బాగా ప్లాన్ చేసి లేకుండా కొనేస్తాం మీ ఇద్దరు జాగ్రత్త.
అవునారా బాబా చిన్న తమ్ముడు ఎలా చూడండి సార్ చిన్న కెమెరా
మా కాలేజ్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్కి వచ్చాను సార్ వాణి రిసెప్షన్ కదా కాదు ఇచ్చా వచ్చేదా అప్పుడు వచ్చేది
కృష్ణ కృష్ణ ముందు పెట్టి
సార్ గారు ఎలా అందుకో సార్
ఇక్కడ పెట్టి ప్రసాద్ ప్రసాద్
వాది మామిడికి వాది
committee of 17th Shaker Memorial Cricket Tournament. I extend a hearty welcome to all of you for this concluding function. We started this tournament on 11th of this month. We had as many as 30 teams for participation. We had a finals today, and now we are going to have the prize distribution ceremony. This tournament we are conducting in memory of our good friend, late Shri D. Shaker Rao. He was our colleague employee, has contributed a lot in the sports and cultural activity. The committee, with all hardships, every year managed to conduct this tournament. May I now request the chief guest of today's function, Commodore Y. Janardhan, our Director Technical, Hindustan Shipyard Limited, to kindly come over and garland the portrait of late D. Shaker Rao. Sir.
We have with us two distinguished cricketers who are turned administrators. I now request my senior in school, senior in a lot of things. I don't know whether I have to really name him. Not only in the university, but taught us a lot as to how to talk. For years, sir, I have been coming here, but also on the bridge table. We are very grateful to you for showing your benevolence and keeping with us right through. May I kindly request you, sir, to kindly grace that. The preliminary is over. I request my friend Babji Patnaik to read out
Narayan Swami, Parsarthi, Veerbhadra Rao, Sridhar. Shaker Memorial today is very lucky because we've got a galaxy of cricket administrators and other administrators sitting with us today. But first, we are also lucky because Devarajan came all the way from Delhi, as was usual of him. This special mention about Devarajan is he met with a very major accident. We thought he was no more. He is not only on the field, but it also relates to private life. This tournament has completed 17 years of life. Maybe this is the only tournament in Andhra Pradesh that is surviving for this long. These 10 days of the 17th year have been the longest because we had to overcome so many hurdles on financial and organizational aspects. But then, with all the support we had from everybody, we were able to do a job. The management, as usual, went out of its way to give us the infrastructure, to give us the manpower, every facility that we asked for. In spite of the strife that shipyard is going through today, we are really grateful to you. The VDC, as usual, has given their unstinted support. Because normally VDC is a little hesitant when it comes to funding cricket, or because they also are running through some financial problems. But everything that we asked for except finance, they've come out, they've given their umpires, they've given their administrators, everything. Thank you very much, sir. In this small field, it was difficult to conduct a tournament in which 26...
Some of the young boys who played with us, they're no longer young, okay. This year, the organizing committee thought of something new. We normally used to felicitate those who had something to do with the shipyard, but we felt, I think you should do us the honors, please. All my friends over here, there is one. A few words before he goes and sits back. Please, just a few words, not too much.
President of the organizing committee, Mr. Veerabhadra Rao, Chief Guest, Commodore Y. Janardhan Garu, Guest of Honor, and my Guru, Professor A. Prasanna Kumar Garu, my good friend, Butchi, Mr. Sri Pyad, and friends. I was not expecting this to happen, but I don't have the mind to bully my young friend, schoolmate, because he's not in a position to take any blows now.
Thank you, Patnaik Garu. Thank you very much. For those of y'all who don't know Dr. Muralidhar, he was one of the persons who was responsible for introducing cricket in our colony. Before that, we would play with tennis ball and only cricket ball matches we would have. Harish used to bowl fast for us and do a lot of other things. But I am told that one of
Thank you, man.
I request Mr. M.N. Murthy to kindly come over.
Thank you.
Janardhan, Dr. Prasanna Kumar, Mr. P.R. Narayan Swami, Sheshgir Rao, and Dr. Muralidhar. Let me first congratulate the organizers of this tournament. This is the only tournament, not only in Andhra Pradesh, in the entire country.
President Mr. Veerabhadra Rao, Mr. Patnaik, Chief Guest Commodore Janardhan, Mr. Sheshgir Rao, Mr. Parsardi, Mr. Narayan Swami, Mr. Devarajan, Dr. Muralidhar and friends. Second time I'm here in this excellent setting. I was telling Mr. Janardhan that I have not seen many grounds which have a necklace of green trees. This is a beautiful necklace of green trees. First of all, Veerabhadra Rao and Patnaik for coming to my house for the second time in 3 years to invite me. I'm grateful to you. I'm very happy that Devarajan has bounced back. That he was looking forward to that green carpet. I don't think there's much difference between what is happening at Hamilton and what is happening here today. Except, people sitting under the trees, people watching from the road, the same thing is there in Hamilton. Except that there's a little difference in color and variety. The game is the same, it's very exciting and the boys have played very well. Ultimately, friends, remember, cricket is such a lovely game. I always say cricket is like death, it's a leveler. Today you're a hero, tomorrow you're not cared. Mr. Veerabhadra Rao, Mr. Patnaik, Mr. Devarajan and all those responsible. There are many persons behind the curtain, behind the scenes. I congratulate everybody. Maybe if Devarajan is very ambitious to celebrate the Golden Jubilee, I hope I'll be alive to come back for the Silver Jubilee. God bless you. Thank you very much.
More accessible to us. But he is such a simple man. He says, yes, I will be here, I will be with the children. Thank you, sir. Babi Tapan Bhattacharya is also not here. Mr. Satya. Thank you very much, Raji Garu. G.V. Narsingh Rao, Madhav Reddy, Prasad Rao, Raja Rao and Surya Rao. Not a single, let me tell you, not a single decision has been contested in this tournament. It's really great. Best bowler, this was given to us by Cody. This was given to us by, this gift was given to us. The fastest fifth. It was unbelievable. Match today. Kalyan Dhar, GPV Anand, Sudarshan, Jaikumar Samuel, VVK and Murthy, CHVS Raju, Sunil Kumar, Sarkar, Lakshman and Reddy. I come back later on.
Team to kindly and all those who have organized this great event in the premises of Shipyard. I sincerely thank them. Also, I thank all the dignitaries who have come here. Professor Prasanna Kumar, Partha Sarathi Garu, Narayana Swami Garu. The Shipyard has great future because it is strategically located. We got our Eastern Naval Command headquarters here, a natural harbor, and the skilled work game. All the success, let it go, grow from strength to strength and bring glories to Visakhapatnam and the Shipyard. Thank you.
Sir, I request you to kindly hand over the prizes to the winners, sir.
Nagaraju, K. Ramakrishna, BP Srinivasa Rao, Latif, K. Shankar Rao, Lavanya Kumar, Satish Kumar, Somesh, JBD Prasad, P. Srikanth and Morli Mohan.
You are from which place? Ramnagar, right in the city, center of the city.
Just a minute, please. You have played for this trophy. Continue with this trophy for many more years to come.
Wish you all the best.
Cricket is all about team game.
My friends, our convener will now do the most pleasant task. Please propose the vote of thanks, Raju.
Beloved Director Technical, Commodore Vaidyanathan, Chief Guest of today's function, for making it convenient to attend the function. I also express my sincere thanks to Professor A. Prasanna Kumar, who has spared his valuable time and effort to attend this function. I also express my sincere thanks to Sri P. Narayan Swami Garu, Secretary, North Zone, and Sri K. Bardasardi Garu, Secretary, BDCA, for attending today's function. In this context, I wish to express my sincere thanks to the sponsors of this tournament, particularly Mrs. NRDC, for their continued patronage. I am thankful to the union members, particularly Sri Garsal Aparagar and his teammates, and SCSA Employees Welfare Association and Shipyard Office Association for making it convenient to attend today's function. I also express my sincere thanks to all the officers, staff and workmen and politicians Shipyard Colony for making this function as a big success. I am expressing my sincere thanks to the management of Hindustan Shipyard Limited for their continued support and cooperation for conducting this function for the last 17 years. My thanks are due to the Quality Maintenance Department. I thank one and all who contribute directly or indirectly for making this function as a grand success. Thank you, sir.
I like everything.
Thank you. Okay.